it is me, HLModTech, and today I'm here to give you a life hack. Now this is probably the first time I've ever done a life hack, and this one was one I stumbled upon myself. I've got my hot tub, love my hot tub, but as we all know, keeping a hot tub clean is a very important thing. So of course, the chemicals in your hot tub are super important, but also is changing and cleaning your filters. I've tried many different items to clean the filters, and my new favorite is what I'm going to show you in this video. I've always thought centrifugal force would be a sweet way to solve this, so check out my solution for how to clean a filter. Thank you for watching, friends. I hope that helps you. If you like the movie, please click that like button. If you want to subscribe, please subscribe. And last but not least, if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new movie from me, Mike Harmon, or HLModTech, click that notification bell. Have a great day, friends.